Today I would like to share you a whole new way how to get a lot of custom watch faces for your Apple Watch, and they are all free. And what you're gonna do is to download the app called Widget. With this one, we used to have use a lot of widget for the iPhone, but now it include a new tab called Watches, where you can get like a ton of new watch faces. So if you click on Explore here, you're gonna find a lot of new watch faces for your Apple Watch, and what cool about them is they are all free. So let's say if I want to get this watch face, I can go ahead and click on this one, and then what I'm gonna do is to click on import. And after we click on import, we're gonna go back here, go into manage, and from manage, if you already had one, you need to clear it. And then we're gonna add a new watch face by clicking on the plus button, and you're gonna find the new watch face that you have just imported at the moment. So now let me click on no, and then we're gonna sync it into the Apple Watch. So this you need to install it on your Apple Watch too. This is the logo itself, and then you're gonna click on sync to watch, and this is like the watch face that stay on the Apple Watch will be limit time, and if you want to get unlimited, you're gonna pay for it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try a free one. So for the free version, it is about 15 minutes. It's gonna stay on your Apple Watch. Now click on continue sync, and then you're gonna wait for this one. Now let me open. You can see we get a new watch face right here. It looks cool and very awesome, like you can see. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.